Now that we're done erasing what's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-taper fade, so stay tuned. We're gonna be starting off by debulking the sides with the one guard all the way open. Moving on to our 1.5 guard, we're going to continue debulking the sides. We're also going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help blend out that guideline we created. Now moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to use the comb to feed the hair into the clipper and flick out as much as possible. This is going to help build up our silhouette. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to repeat the same process and feed the hair into the clipper using the comb. Now that we're done debulking the sides, we can move on to the back taper. We're going to start off by creating our first guideline with our NST outliners. Since we're done budding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We're also going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help us erase that initial guideline we created with our trimmers. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and use the lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. guys are enjoying the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Also, be sure to check out my live streams. This half guard is going to help us connect the no guard all the way open to the one guard all the way open. Now we're going to detail as much as possible with our previous guard, get rid of all the dark spots. Now that we're done with the back taper, we can move on to the side taper. We're going to start off with our NST outliners and create our first guideline. Now that we're done botting them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and use the corners to create our second guideline. We're also going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help us erase that initial guideline we created with our trimmers. Moving on to our one guard all the way open, we're going to use the lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Moving on to our 1.5 guard, this is going to help us blend into our silhouette. We're now going to start by blending out the beard. We're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and flick out as much as possible. When blending out the beard, you want to think of it as a reverse fade, so now we're moving on to our one guard all the way open and moving our way down. We're then going to use our 1.5 guard to flick out as much as possible and blend into the bulk of the beard. Moving on to our anti-outliner, we're going to line up the back of the beard. You also want to make sure not to press too hard here because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmers. Moving on to the back lineup, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. Always make sure to use your opposite hand to move the ear out of the way so you don't bite them with the teeth of the trimmers. Now moving on to our C-cups, we're also going to start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. You also want to make sure not to press too hard here because you could bite him and irritate the skin. Moving on to the bottom of the beard, I'm going to use my comb to make sure the hair is nice and laid down, and we're going to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides.